negative things. Any negatives?
Okay, thank you for this $1 million questions. Okay, actually, we also see the negative, but the power of positivity is much better than the power of negativity. Actually, the negativity, if we talk about negativity, everything has. But if we join the Asian community, I believe that we gain a lot of positivity than negativity.
Good morning, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, similar question to Mr. Norman. Do you think that the Asian economic integration can somehow is a threat? Yeah, it's a threat to our Cambodian labor force. Yeah, including youth, students, graduates, scholars. Do you think it's as a threat?
Okay, thank you for this $2 million question. Actually, if we talk about threatening, everything has. But our country, as we already know together that we are developing country, right? So if we are developing country, the threat it also have, but it doesn't have higher. It doesn't have stronger than any other country, because like I have mentioned at the moment, we have what do we call? If we're talking about the taxations, actually we also have a good negotiation, or we have a lot of forgiving from the other country in Asia.